Today I'm going to show you how to use a lighter. This is a lighter that I use for lighting candles. It is a King lighter. You can see on the side the name of the brand right here, King. This is also a safety lighter. It has safety mechanisms in place to prevent unwanted lighting by people who should not be lighting this. Now, lighters have warnings, and it's important that you read the warnings before you operate any lighter. And make sure that it's the warning for your specific lighter. Read the instructions for your specific lighter as well, because they all vary. Now, with that being said, you have the lighter right here. I can see how much fluid is left in. Looks like we're about a quarter tank of gas in the new E-class, or is that 3/4? I'm not entirely sure. And on this side, it has how much fuel do you want to come out when I press this button, which brings me to the button. This is the button that actually, when you press, it actually releases the fuel. I cannot, however, press it right now because it is locked to the safety mechanism, which I'll get to momentarily. Now, when I press this, it will click, and what happens is it sparks right here. There's a spark which will ignite the fuel that is inside of the lighter that's coming out in order for me to light a candle. And on this part right here, there is the safety switch. So once I adjust how much fuel I want to come out, which will determine the flame height, I will go to this side and I'll press this forward. And pressing this forward actually enables the trigger to be pressed, allowing the lighter to be lit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust how much fuel I want coming out, and I'm going to press this forward and press the button at the same time, and you see the lighter lit like a moth through the flame, burnt by the fire. Now, with that being said, there's warnings when it comes to lighters. Make sure you read all the warnings. Make sure you are eligible to be using a lighter, because there are inherent risks with using a lighter that you should be aware of, warned, and accept all responsibility before using your particular lighter. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.